Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for fresh videos, and if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. It really does help the channel out. And today, I want to share with you a great little toy. It is basically a little race car, and it's called the Atomic Max RC. It is a fancy stunt little car here. And this is the box it comes in, so I figured I'll open this up, kind of show you what you get, and basically kind of how it works. So we'll open this up here, kind of slide it out, basically destroying the box. So here's the car itself, and then you're going to get a little bag, and then this little controller. Now, the controller does take AA batteries, and then the charger, the car itself, charges, it looks like, with a USB, just a standard USB, and then this is going to plug into basically probably a little compartment, which I need to get a screwdriver. Then you are also going to get a little instructions. Now, the box did mention that the remote control basically takes 2 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and get this all hooked up. You can see the car, it has the wheels go any different direction, which lets it do tricks, and when it keeps it from whenever it gets flipping over, it's going to always keep being able to keep going, which is kind of cool. So let me go get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So let's go over all the ins and outs of the race car and how it all works. So first off, the remote control on the back side takes 2 AA batteries. Just pop those in when you get this off, and then put the little trap door on here, and then just has a little screw, make sure it's all nice and tight. And then on the other side, you basically have 2 joysticks. This one controls the one side of the car, this one controls the other side. Up is forward, down is backwards, and that's pretty much your only motions. So you have to coordinate both of these to get it to do turns. It has these little buttons on the front, I think just kind of make it more like a video game remote control, but they don't do absolutely anything. And then on the middle here is the power button. You just press that and it turns on. So the car itself basically has an ion chargeable battery. So once you take off the door, you pull it out here and then just kind of pull this straight out. And to charge it, it's going to come with a little USB thing. So you're going to plug this in and then plug this into a USB outlet or adapter. This will light up red when you plug it in. When it's done charging, it'll just basically turn off. So at that point, take this out and then re-plug it in till you hear a snap. Once it's all good and go, just tuck this back in. And then the battery compartment, I find it easier because the little screw here keeps it from fully going down. So unless you take the screw off, I find it just push on here and then start screwing this in, and then everything goes into place where it should go. So the race car itself is really cool because it doesn't really get stuck. At least I haven't been able to get it trapped. And that's because the wheels are all independent. As you can see, each side moves in a 360 and then each wheel moves. So it's very flexible. They even have on the ends here little wheels. So if it does get in a weird position, it will still roll. So when it jumps off curbs or goes up objects or bumps, it moves very fluid and works very, very well versus other race cars that will flip over and get stuck, and then you have to spend time going down and tracing it and flipping it over. So this one gives you lots of flexibility. Now, how to turn it on is really simple. There is a little switch on the back that says off and on, so just turn this over to the on position. And then the remote control, same thing, hit the button in the middle, light will turn on, and then you are good to go to start controlling it. And like I said, it's pretty straightforward, really easy to use. Once you get the hang of the turns, and there it goes. So that is basically it. Like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.